So in this video, I'll show you how you can use MagicSlides Chrome Extension to create presentation in few clicks. So basically, we have a Chrome extension available, which you can install on your browser. So I'll just click on Add to Chrome. You just have to visit MagicSlides.app, then scroll it down, and then you'll find the extension Add to Chrome. Then click on Add to Chrome. I'll just add this extension. It will come up over here, right click, and then do the pip. Once you do that, then what you need to do is open up any YouTube video. So for example, I want to create a presentation from this YouTube video. I will click on that. But before you do, make sure to visit MagicSlides.app back again and make sure you're logged in. So I'm just going to log in with my account and give it a second there. Once you're logged in, then you can actually go back to the video, click on the Chrome extension. Nothing complicated. Just you're watching the video and then you realize, you know what, I want a presentation. This can actually be used for something like, you know what, I don't want to go through the whole video. Can you give me the bullet points and stuff? We can do that. So let's just give it a second. So the video might be a little long. So it's just going to grab the text, push that to Magic Slides, and then open it up in a new tab for you. If it takes any longer, feel free to just reload the page. Actually, what happened is we had the tab open before we added the extension. So sometimes things can happen. As you can see, it's much faster now. Um, I do want to show you one thing, guys. We have kind of improved this UI. So anyway, let's go with this one. I'll make another video probably of how the have to use. So you can choose any of these design templates of choice. Do one thing, change this presentation to dashboard. This is the latest way. So I'm just going to choose a design. We have multiple options available. We have vertical designs and we have horizontal ones as well. So which one ever you prefer. I am going to choose this design. We have bullet point and custom layout. So the difference between a bullet point presentation and a custom presentation is custom presentation includes various kinds of slides. To get an idea of what kind of different slides I am talking about, you can visit this page /slide templates. So we have a lot of different templates. You can create all of these in a single prompt. So for example, I like this one and I want to create something with it. You can just visit the website, click on slide templates, choose that. It will automatically get selected. So if you scroll down, you can see it's already selected. Then you can just give your topic and stuff. We are actually in the flow, so let's not break that. I have chosen this particular design. I think this one is also nice. We can use this. I also prefer to like this one. So I'm going to choose this one, for example, and then I can say choose bullet point for that is the name of that template. And then I can click on and next. This is the page where you provide the details. So for example, here we have 12 plus slides. It's an educational type. If you want to be another kind, you can choose. If you want to set audience tone, you can do all that. I'm just going to set the language to English. By the way, it's by default. It's not showing not an issue, but you can just select that. I do want images, so I'm just going to select the Google Images option. And then I'm going to click on Generate Find Slides. So it's going to take around 2 minutes. That's an estimated time. Meanwhile, you can have a look of kind of slides it's going to make. So it's going to have a first intro slide, which looks something like this. It's going to have a table of content kind of slides, which looks something like this. And yeah, if the table of content is longer, so for example, in our case, we have 12 pages, then it will extend to a new page and something like that will look like. This is how the bullet point design will look like. We chose the bullet point design. Remember, guys, I told you there is a option for custom design as well. So we could have chosen that one option. Anyhow, so yeah, the presentation is done. While you were exploring how the presentation will look like. And let's see if it loads. So understanding the laws of thermodynamics. So it's gonna say a few things. By the way, these are Google images. I specifically tagged that we are not getting images from YouTube video. Please don't expect that we will just go inside the video, we grab this guy somehow, or maybe if we can grab these images. Yes, we want to brook the birth. Not possible right now. We just use the transcript. Being very clear about what we are doing from YouTube video. We are not providing the whole video to the model right now. We do plan on doing that. So it's just too expensive to do right. So we are not going to do it right now. but we do plan to. But right now we don't do that, so please don't have those expectations. But I feel the transcript does the good things as well. So you can see the third law in measurement gives pre energy, spontaneity and gives pre energy. Um, okay, okay, and there's your presentation. So now, if you want to just download that PPT, you can download it in any format of your choice, or you can just share this link with people if you want to just share the presentation. If you want to just share this in your classroom, you can kind of click the play icon. And what this will do is it will start the present this pane where you can kind of present this presentation. Can take few seconds, so please be patient here. The this particular one, the model which we're using and stuff, the presentation takes a little bit while. So if I give it a second, I think the play button should work. And okay, so here we have the presentation preview. So you can kind of maximize this to full screen. Oh, I'm still available. Hello, everyone. So we have this full screen. Now you can use your arrows to go through and you can teach people that, hello, everyone. Today we will be talking about human ethics and so on and so forth. So I guess that is done from my side, guys. I hope you learned how to create presentation from YouTube video. Now let's also talk about the Wikipedia page. Nothing is different. The only difference is we will be clicking on the extension when we are on this page. So I'll just click. It will show the same thing again, processing. You'll be back on this page. I highly recommend you change this to dashboard. Uh, why, you ask? Well, that was the previous process. It will take some time for us to update that in the group extension. I'm extremely sorry for this. But yeah, if you just change that to dashboard, we'll have this fresh. Oh my God, please don't embarrass me. Dashboard. I'm going to click on that. Something went wrong. Anyhow, you can kind of continue with that if dashboard causes any issue. So for example, if I choose a presentation template, click on next. We have all these options available. So the presentation length and everything, and then just click on generate presentation. And guys, this will also work. This was supposed to be a previous something. So sorry for that, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found the extension helpful. And please share your feedback and do give the extension a try. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.